Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows cannot connect to the printer, and the error code you get on the screen is 0x0000011B. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to connect to the printer and you are facing the error 0x0000011B, then I will show you a simple method to resolve this issue. First of all, you just need to type regedit in your start menu. Just click on start menu, then type here regedit. Just click on register editor. Click on yes. In this you can see here HK local machine. Double click and expand that one. After that you can see here system. Double click and expand. After that in this you need to select current control set. Double click and expand. Double click on control. In this you need to find print. You can see here print. Double click. Come to the right section. Right click on here. Select new. Click on dword 32 value. Here you need to rename it as RPC AUNTH level privacy enabled. You can see here you need to type RPC AUNTH LEVEL level privacy enabled. Just click on enter. Double click on that. Make sure the value should be 0 and click OK. And close this window. Then click on start menu. Then type here services. Click on services. In this you need to find print spooler. You can see here print spooler. Double click on that. Startup type should be automatic. Click on start. Then click apply. Then click OK. Then close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows cannot connect to the printer, and the error code you get on the screen is 0x0000011B. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video